So for the recovery, you're going to push this down to -15. Okay? Until your flight path vector lines up with your attitude indicator. And then you're going to start gradually bringing that nose up. We are not gobbing the power, remember? Once we see that we're really above green dot and our speed vector neutralizes, then we add power. So here's some buffet. Once that nose tries to force itself down, that's that stability. There's that stability. Keep pulling. First indication. Can't silence it. Flight path vector's gone. Push it down. -15. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. There you go. Flight path vector's neutral, or flight path angle. There's a secondary. Keep it pushing down. Push down. Reduce your angle of attack. Slightly bring that nose up, very gradually, very gradually. Right about there's the biggest gap you want. As that flight path vector comes back to you, then start bringing the nose up more. Speed vector's neutralizing. You can start adding a little bit of power. Be very gentle with it. Go ahead, push it up to climb.
So even at 15 degrees nose low, it still wasn't...
Well, no, you pulled up too quick. You got into a secondary stall.